All right, Divine Collective, I'm picking up on a... Spirit is saying a toxic parent and a lot of gossip. So there's a toxic parent here that is gossiping a lot, Spirit says. They are overwhelmed with everything that's going on in the current moment. This toxic parent, they're very controlling. They found themselves in some type of toxic situation, okay? Spirit says they're learning a hard lesson currently, getting a lot of karma, okay? This toxic parent that likes to gossip, they're getting karma. Spirit says when you were in this person's energy, you helped to heal them. I am picking up on polar opposites, Divine Collective. So if you're like me, I often wonder, you know, how I got placed with people that are so different than who I am at my core, Divine Collective. Even in a low vibration, the people that I grew up around, extremely toxic, right? I mean, extremely toxic. And listen, I'm not trying to throw no stones at anybody. I can admit my extremely toxic, the extremely toxic parts of myself and my life, Divine Collective. So again, I'm not throwing stones at anybody, but I often wonder that it's the truth, Divine Collective. Sometimes I catch myself looking back and everybody that I've been placed around in my life, polar opposite. Even at my lowest, right? Even at my lowest, I feel. There's others that might have a different opinion, Divine Collective. But whoever this is from your past, you healed them when you were in their energy, but they sucked you dry. They sucked you absolutely dry, Spirit says. And now it's time to face the consequences. I feel like this person consciously knew what they were doing, Divine Collective. You may have not known, but whoever this is, Spirit is telling me that they consciously knew what they were doing, draining you. This is going to be a very difficult time for a lot of people that have played in your energy, Divine Collective. There's a price that they have to pay, though. That is what I'm hearing. It's time to manifest your dream job or career. I am picking up on a job interview, Divine Collective. A job interview here. I'm hearing Spirit say, shout out to everyone healing from the apologies they will never receive. Never forget the lessons. On my journey that I've already told all of you that was something that was really hard for me to do, okay? You just think, Divine Collective, in a moment, you just think that when you start to put your story out there and the pieces come together and say these people, you never know if they're watching you or not, and you're speaking your truth, and you're like, okay, well, even if one of them is paying attention, they'll run and tell the other one, and maybe they'll start to wake up, maybe they'll start to heal, and then you start to notice that they start to get worse, Divine Collective, because you're telling your story, and you know, you're putting pressure on these karmic energies, and in your head, because of the heart that you have, the pure heart that you have, you're giving these people the benefit of the doubt, like, yeah, I know they're going to apologize. Now that I know everything that I know, you know, they're backed into this corner, and they're going to apologize, and I'll forgive them, and we can just move on, and, you know... That's what I do, Divine Collective. This is the process that I go through with people in my life before creating boundaries. Is I exhaust all options before cutting them off and creating boundaries. I convince myself that they're going to be good people and apologize to me. However, I get let down every single time, Divine Collective. So I've made it my duty to speak about that. So you don't find yourself caught up, you know, holding on to people that could care less about what it is that you really have going on. These are people that will kick you when you are down. They probably have kicked you when you are down, Divine Collective. Forgive them and move on, okay? Stop waiting around for the apology. Just stop waiting around for these people to get their karma and let God handle them, okay? Someone is wanting to compromise here. Yeah, this is someone you co-parent with. I keep picking up on co-parenting, Divine Collective. Someone wants you to sacrifice your happiness for family. It's almost like I'm picking up on someone like, don't you want the family back together? Wouldn't it be nice if we got back together, our family? You know where I'm going with this, Divine Collective, but these are breadcrumbs, Divine Collective. Some of you may decide to go back, but for a lot of you, I don't see you sacrificing all the work you've done on yourself. I don't see you sacrificing your happiness for this energy, okay? Spirit says they're going to come off as if they've changed, as if they're divine, as if they're walking the same path you are, Divine Collective. But this masculine is not divine. They're just acting that way. I feel like this is someone who has the ability, I'm not sure what this means. This is someone who has the ability to walk in both worlds. Divine Collective. They're not divine though. They just act that way, Spirit is telling me. They feel defeated. Spirit says, Divine Collective, sometimes before something amazing happens to you, it can feel like your whole world is crumbling, okay? Yeah, someone is trying to bring up old memories. This is what I'm picking up on. Sweet memories, Divine Collective. Someone trying to manifest you in a positive way here, okay? Spirit says that you're someone who decided to take the road less traveled. You spoke the truth, and that took a lot of courage, Divine Collective. In regards to corruption, you took the road less traveled here and called someone out, Spirit says. This person really needs to quit being so stubborn. I heard someone's ancestor, they're just frustrated. They're like, quit being so, excuse my language, quit being so damn stubborn. This is someone who is so stubborn, Divine Collective. You've already outed this person. You've already outed their true nature and everything. Continue grounding yourself. Be logical. Be patient, Divine Collective. This is someone who can't be by themselves. They cannot be by themselves, Spirit is telling me. They may also deal with a sex addiction, Divine Collective. 8:22 on the clock. Spirit says you are on the right path. You are going in the right direction. Yeah, someone with hazel eyes here, Divine Collective, they're having nightmares. This is their own personal karma. This could be someone who was astral projecting in the dream state. They're having a lot of nightmares, Spirit says. I'm hearing, Divine Collective, there's a karmic that plotted a baby with this masculine, and afterwards he ghosted her. Wow. He ghosted her. Spirit says you are very wise. All you have to do is keep listening to your intuition here, Divine Collective. You are very wise, I heard. 9:14 on the clock. Someone took a lot of losses here, Divine Collective. There's a masculine that took a lot of losses because of their ego, because they're so stubborn. I do feel like someone's on the way to come tell you the truth now. This is a bigamist. Spirit is calling this person a bigamist. They tried to get you attacked, Divine Collective. A bigamist. Someone who was held in high honor. You're someone who was held in high honor. Okay? You've transmuted all evil eye, Divine Collective, that this person sent you. You are very intuitive, especially towards those who want to play in your energy.